Hey, are you right in the refrigerator? You like that? Are you eating peas? That's terrible. You just snacking? What are you doing? You think you can just reach into a can of peas? Mm-hmm.